Next to Casey, number 42 out of Canyon Lake. He could be tough off that front row, David STITES. Second row on the inside, out of Nuevo, the Polish boy, number 88, Ethan KINTOP. And outside of him, out of Aruba Valley, the 99 of James Keller. Third row on the inside, number 28, comes in as the point leader. From Menifee, the 28 is David URAINE. And outside him, out of Point Park, is Peyton Griffin in car 16. Fourth row on the inside, the number 25 car, Albert Verado out of Riverside. And with Albert in that row, the number 77, local guy out of Menifee, that's Joseph Pass. Number 5 is line the 12 car on the inside, that's Chicken Joe out of Lake Yellowstone. Chicken, that's the second generation driver out of the Chrysler. Sixth row on the inside, the number 32 from Riverside, another second generation driver, Cale Skillman, with Cale in that row. The 32 car from Temecula, David Clarici. In the next to the last row, there's row number 7 on the inside, the 3K, Nick Kelly out of Reno Valley, with Nick in that row. 36 out of Colton, Lanny Savage. And rounding out the field will be car number 26, last year's champion, out of Menifee, that's Chris Carney. After passing stop, second race of the season, 2024, April 3, Chicago race. And moving on to number 2, that is Dave Knight. close behind. Everybody just racing closing in on him. Leaders for 42, second spot is at 28. Right there, the goals of the race. David Stites, two tires back to the there. Get a run down the back. $7:57.84, the time in the American Factory Stock main event. Now he can hear you. Make some noise for David Stites, first win of 2024. Tom?
Mr. Stites, this is getting to be a regular kind of thing now.
Well, after last race, I'm sure happy to be here. Made it more than one lap, so that's a good thing, right?
Pretty well, man.
Yeah. Sorry that was boring. I actually hate starting up front.
Oh, hang on. No, man. So let some down the road. All right.
No, I really do like starting from the back, so maybe next race I might have some fun and challenge myself a little bit. But want to thank the track, another amazing product. Coach and Don put on a great show here. Got to thank my sponsors, Melody Thai Cuisine, Bomb Thai Food in Menifee. If you guys haven't been there, it's amazing. Super Zings Real Estate, Well & Sons Racing. Got to thank Ken McWilliams for helping me today. Actually, all the guys back there helped me today when we had the valve covers off before the heat. So again, my wife, thank you so much. I know it's tough coming out here, but last race has a party of 4, right? Party of 5 coming. Love you, baby. Sam, Ty, appreciate you. Dad, Betsy, thank you guys for coming. Love you guys.
Well, you know how this goes. You take the trophy, you stand in front of the car, you get some pictures taken.
That sounds good.
All right, congratulations, man. Nice drive.
Thank you very much.
There's your winner.